So what is blockchain and how does this technology work? Blockchain is a series of interconnected components working together to form a trusted data platform. Blockchain works by creating a decentralized network for computers to verify and process new or incoming data. By inputting data into one block in the blockchain, it creates a trusted link to other data and can later be examined by other authorities if needed. A significant component of blockchains is that the information is never destroyed, it is only added. This allows for businesses to keep information untampered with so that company records, assets, and inquiries are protected from the decentralization of the network.
So how do we think that blockchain can impact businesses in a significant way? Blockchain could be useful in many aspects of businesses or even in a supply chain. Companies could use this tool to keep track of their finances without needing a middleman like an auditor or a bank to store their valuable information. Businesses could withhold information they wanted private and have other information available to the public. Supply chains could use this blockchain to keep track of exactly where or when their products were made and legitimize their processes for future consumers to view. A prominent theme in the TED Talk was trust and how companies could use this trustworthiness of a blockchain to their advantage. Not only would consumers see, for example, the ingredients or part used in a product they're purchasing, but also where those products came from for further legitimization of their purchases. This also allows for transactions to be made without the time or money spent on a middleman, which causes a more productive and efficient process of transactions. So personally, I think the biggest potential application for blockchain technology today is the implementation in major corporations in the financial world. Blockchain can be used in real estate to build a more reliable network that helps manage and provide information for both the consumers and the real estate companies. Blockchain could potentially thrive in the real estate field due solely to the amount of trust that its data encompasses. Because information is never destroyed and is only added, consumers can see the development of their house from day one. They can see who has bought it and what additions or renovations have been applied to the house since it was built. The buyer could also know exactly what type of people have lived there, whether they had pets or they smoked previously in the house, and they could use this knowledge of the history of the property to know exactly what they're getting into without any unwanted surprises when they purchase the house. On top of this information, another important aspect that blockchain could be used in is accounting. And while this was one of the examples provided in the TED Talk, this would really improve accounting in the future due to the ability to eradicate a middleman for paperwork associated with loans or other financial transactions that banks provide services for. And this would revolutionize accounting and create an easier and less time-consuming process.
Okay, so while we believe that blockchain right now is quite the hype, we believe that it has the potential to last and thrive in this interconnected internet age. With almost every source of the internet being decentralized data or research, it can be hard to trust what is true and what is not. However, we feel that blockchain's abilities to provide trusted data and documentation will allow it to be implemented in almost every aspect of the business or even in everyday life, to allow for more productive and a safe future, allowing for the internet to be revolutionized with trust and reliability. Blockchain should be able to stand the test of time.